Hi guys, it's Denise and I'm coming to show you how to make a Thai peanut sauce. I'm going to make a big Thai bowl with the leftovers from the other day when I made the Thai rice rolls, which look like something else, but it was really good. So in here, I've got a 1/4 cup of 12 nut seed butter. And then I've got some smooth peanut butter. What you're gonna do is I've got a 1/4 cup of each in there, and then I'm gonna put a 1/4 cup of water into this. And what you're gonna do to make the Thai peanut sauce is you just want that to melt all together. That's what's making your sauce. And you gotta have it on medium-low heat. You don't wanna burn this. You just want this all to kind of incorporate, okay? So it takes a little bit of time to do that. And this is quite saucy. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of red pepper jelly to give this Thai peanut sauce a little bit of sweet. You're gonna add some soya sauce to this as well. I'll put a tablespoon in. Okay. You want some garlic in, you could do fresh garlic, but I'm gonna do garlic aioli because that's fast. I actually don't even have garlic in my house because you can't find, if you buy garlic from China, it's dirty garlic, so don't do that. So I put half a tablespoon or a teaspoon in there. There's gonna be a little bit of sesame seed oil in here. I'm just gonna put a little splash in, you don't want too much. So let's say half a tablespoon. And I like my peanut sauce a little bit spicy, so I'm going to add some chili flakes and garlic, so a teaspoon of that in there. And then you're going to squeeze half a lime. Now we're just going to kind of get that all incorporated. And you have a Thai peanut sauce. Whoops, I'm making a big mess. And there you go. Turn it off and let that hang out. And there's your Thai peanut sauce. It's that easy. Kind of cool, eh? So no need to buy stuff that's got in a grocery store with tons of preservatives and additives in it. I'll get this recipe into your hands and you'll have a beautiful, incredible blend.